I honestly didn't know grooming salons were this fancy. I mean, even I don't get treated this well at salons. Hey fam, so today was a perfectly special day because I took Nora, yes, the queen, to her first pet grooming session, and trust me, she walked in like a diva. On a serious note, guys, grooming is a super important for our fur babies, not to just look cute but to stay healthy and happy. And let's be real, a fluffy, fresh smelling cat is a way better than a plotting revenge for skipping birthdays. So, if you enjoyed this little slice of our day, hit that follow button because me and Nora, we are just getting started. Trust me, you don't want to miss her next adventure. Bye bye.